This is your feed and stock report for Tuesday, July 7th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta Monday, steers 900 plus 465 to 488, 8 to 900 522 to 525. 7 to 800 546 to 570, 6 to 700 630 to 647, 5 to 600 710 to 790, 4 to 500 770 to 850, 3 to 400 885 to 950. Heifers 900 plus 410 to 449, 8 to 900 462 to 492, 7 to 800 510 to 527, 6 to 700 590 to 623, 5 to 600 592 to 625. 4 to 500 637 to 685, 3 to $407 to 840. Yesterday in Central Alberta, middle-aged cows with good calves at their side traded from $6,300 per pair to $7,300 per pair. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Monday saw no new trade to report. This week's show list has been compiled with volumes smaller than the previous week. Alberta Fed basis levels did strengthen last week. Alberta Fed cash to futures basis levels were the strongest since the spring of 2024. Muddy pen conditions have impacted performance. With cattle packing extra mud, this has also had an impact at the slaughter plant level. Slower chain speeds are required to prevent contamination. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 and 2 cows 245 to 260. D3 cows 230 to 244. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 281 to 310. In the U.S., there is no new trade to report, and significant trade will likely hold off until the second half of this week. Packers are buying for a full slaughter week. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out in the upper 250s on a live basis. 4-state show list volumes have been reported larger. New World screwworm cases in the U.S. continue to edge higher. At the beginning of July, there were 21 active animal cases in the U.S. Just to highlight, in Central America and Mexico, there are more than 185,000 active animal cases and over 2,000 cases in people. National Bona cows averaged $335.29 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at $8.30 this morning was trading unchanged at $70.60. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange in mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. August 237.87 down 122, October 233.50 down 115, December 233.60 down 87. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.